Duck wad to start her off. Love me some ducks.
The old double tap.
I couldn't let him get out, Drew. Couple 2 ducks right on the deck.
The old double tapper.
Nice duck. Oh, damn.
Shoot him.
Oh. Dude,
Look again.
you just clicked again.
Yeah. I was on.
Dude, this guy came out of nowhere. I was looking at the snows and then the ducks just came.
Yeah. I was staring up and it's like, ducks on the left.
I was like, hey, what?
Dumped in.
Looking up, shutting it now. On the beads, yeah. Here.
These two just getting it down. Ooh. Oh, get the one. Oh!
Damn, that thing centered up so good, dude.
Dude, those ones drop.
Damn.
Oh, look at that one. Look at the. He just hit that backflip
That on the
over
left
there.
side.
That was dirty.
That was pretty dirty.
That one's dead. Shoot him.
Damn, son. Quad.
I like when those are at that distance. The old full choke's opening up. Here.
Dang.
Oh, look at that far one. That was deep.
That was pretty
Dude,
dirty.
That was nasty.
I like pulled up, boom, dead, boom, dead. I couldn't even shoot one. Come here, here. We got some killers in the blind today, boys. Kill him.
Yo. Dude, that was a big old wad of ducks just circling it, circling it, circling.
Circling, finally did it up and just gave him the 1-2 punch.
Yo. What are you thinking so far?
Huh?
What are you thinking so far?
It's been good. It's fun. We